Hello children, welcome back. Let's continue our second part of the first lesson. What is the name of the first lesson, children? Yes, food, our basic need. Food, our basic need. So are you all ready with your science homework book and pencil? As I told you that we are going to have a rapid fire in the session. So ready? My first question is, give 2 examples of dietary fiber. Give 2 examples of dietary fiber. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. My second question is, calcium rich food item. Calcium rich food item. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What are the important vitamins required by our body? What are the important vitamins required by our body? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Done. Time is up. Now come to the topic, children. The topic is balanced diet. In this session, we are going to discuss about the balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? A balanced diet supplies the nutrients your body needs to work effectively. Without balanced nutrition, your body is more prone to diseases, infections, and low performance. Children who don't get enough healthy food may face growth and development problems, poor academic performance, and frequent infection. They can also develop unhealthy eating habit. A diet that has all the nutrients in the right amount, including dietary fiber and water, is called balanced diet. A healthy balanced diet will usually include vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, including starch and fiber, protein, healthy fats, fruits, vegetables, grains, dairy, milk and milk products, protein food. The examples of the protein food you have learnt in previous session, isn't it? What are they? Meat, egg, fish, beans, nuts and legumes. Varieties of food essential for a balanced diet. A diet consisting of several food groups provides all the required nutrients in proper amount. Cereals, millets and pulses are major sources of most nutrients. Milk, which provides good quality proteins and calcium, must be an essential item of diet, particularly for the infants. Understood about the balanced diet? Now ready for the second set of the questions? Ready with your book? Here your fourth question comes. What is balanced diet? What is balanced diet? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Your fifth question. Name the food that can be included in a balanced diet. Name the food that can be included in a balanced diet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now the next topic is preservation of food. How will you preserve your food? Extra leftover food? Let's now learn how we can preserve our food. Food preservation is one of the most oldest technology humans have developed. Being able to extend the amount of time we can store the food is still equally important today as it was hundreds of years ago. Preserving of food to be able to keep it for longer without it spoiling is not the only benefit. However, in many cases, preserving food can be transformative. It can enhance the food and introduce new flavors and textures that aren't possible with any other means of cooking or preparation. There are few methods of preserving the food. Let us now learn what are they. Pickling. I know every child likes to eat pickles, right? I like pickles so much. So all over the world, you will find different examples of pickling. Every culture has some form of pickled food, a method of preserving food that is abundant in that region. Mixing fruits and vegetables with salt and oil, like mixing of raw mangoes, limes and other vegetables with oil and salt, makes a very tasty pickle, right? Now the next one, drying. Drying is the oldest method of food preservation. This method reduces water activity, which prevents bacterial growth. Drying reduces weight, so food can be carried easily. Grapes to get raisin is one of the best example of drying. Freezing, we will freeze the water to make it ice cubes. We will keep ice creams in the freezers, right? Freezing is keeping prepared food stuff in refrigerator for a short time. We can also keep fresh fruits and vegetables. Meat, fishes, ice creams, milk packets should be kept in the deep freezing or freezer for the long time storage. Now next one is vacuum packing. You know what is vacuum packing? Vacuum packing creates a vacuum by making bags and bottles airtight, since there is no oxygen in the created vacuum. Here in this packet, bacteria die. These vacuum packs usually used for dry foods like nuts, raisins, etc. Canning and bottling means sealing cooked food in sterile bottles and cans. The containers is boiled and this kills or weakens bacteria. Foods are cooked for various lengths or time. Once the can or bottle is open, the food is again at risk of spoilage. Modified atmosphere preserve food by operating on the atmosphere around it. Salad crops that are difficult to preserve are packaged in sealed bags with an atmosphere modified to reduce the oxygen concentration and increase the carbon dioxide concentration. Understood? Now ready for the next set of questions? Your sixth question is, name the two methods of preservation of food. Name the two methods of preservation of food. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now the seventh question is, preservation of food can prevent it from getting dash. Preservation of food can prevent it from getting dash. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Rest. Rest. How many of you taking proper rest every day, children? Our body needs rest for proper functioning. You children need 8 to 10 hours of sleep in a day. Lack of sleep may result in improper functioning of our body organs. It can make us fall sick. So, staying up late without sleeping is not a good idea. You must sleep before 9 p.m. and wake up at 6 in the morning. So how many of you going to sleep on time, children? Make this practice of sleeping at 9 p.m. and waking up at 6 in the morning. Good posture is also very important to our body. Posture refers to body position. It is important for us to keep our back straight while standing or sitting. When I say the good posture is very important, immediately all of you will try to sit straight. But you have to be very particular of your sitting and standing posture, because incorrect posture over a long period of time can lead to a pain in the joints and muscles. So, from now ensure yourself that you will stand or sit in a very proper posture. How many of you do exercise regularly? No one, I know. Exercise is very important to stay healthy. Regular exercise means not only doing exercises, playing indoor games such as hockey, cricket, football, kho-kho, kabaddi also helps us to stay fit. Yoga is one of the ancient method of exercise practiced in India. It also helps in keeping a body fit. Okay, from now all of you start doing the exercise and start doing the yoga. Few things if you follow to stay healthy, you will be healthy and fit for a lifetime. What are they? Always wash your hands before and after eating. Whatever fruits or vegetables you eat, wash them very nicely. Always eat fresh cut fruits and fresh cooked fruits. Always chew the food properly for easy digestion. So these are the very important tips. If you follow, you will be healthy, very healthy ever after. Now the last set of questions ready to answer? Here comes your 8th question. How many hours of sleep do children need per a day? How many hours of sleep do children need per a day? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now 9th question. Incorrect posture can lead you to a dash. Incorrect posture can lead you to a dash. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And my last question for the session is, give one source to stay healthy. Give one source to stay healthy. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's it, children. These questions I'll be checking in the class time. Okay? Hope you all understood the lesson, children. Let's meet again with the new lesson and with the new ideas. Thank you for now. Bye bye.